My chat partners, welcome back. So it's Sunday night. I was watching the Super Bowl. It started turning my nerves up, so I had to stop. So I decided to come in here and do a little meal prep for tomorrow. I got 2 eggs boiling for my salad, so I'm going to have a salad for lunch tomorrow. So I decided to come in, wash off my green, the other vegetables that I'm going to put in the salad. So in the morning it'll be dry, and I don't have to worry about having a wet salad stuff in my bowl. And I'm also going to attempt to make my own dressing. This is my first time. Oh well, if it don't, oh well, I'm still going to use it on my salad. I'm not going to use no ranch or anything. Make my dressing, olive oil. I'm going to use the rest of this olive oil I got. But I got this other bottle of olive oil. I'm going to use this lemon. This lemon looking toe all to pieces because I done had it about a week. He looking like, please use me. Somebody just use me. Don't just let me dry up and just dwindle out and not be used. Let me be of some nourishment to somebody's body. And I'm going to let this lemon right here be some nourishment of my body. I'm going to add just a little bit of this Himalayan salt, pepper, garlic in a jar, and it says in olive oil. So I'm going to mix those together. Wash my carrots off, my tomatoes, and I'm going to put my carrots and tomato. I think I'm gonna just leave everything out in like a big bowl and just let it dry in the refrigerator. I'm also gonna rinse off my peppers, some spinach, romaine hearts, and cut them up. They're looking a little old right about now, so it's time for me to go ahead and rinse these off and cut them up. What I'm gonna do first is go ahead and make my dressing. I got these little containers from the Dollar Tree. This is what I'm gonna put my dressing in the morning, but I'm not gonna do that tonight. Like I said, I'm gonna make it and let it marinate in a little bowl overnight. Just let the flavors, you know, that little flavor get together. I'm making it, put it in this little bowl right here and let it sit in the refrigerator. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take the olive oil and measure that out. I think I had saw a recipe, it was like 4 1/4, but to me that don't sound a lot like it's a lot. So I think I'm gonna do, I can't even read what this say. I'm gonna just do like 4 of these. I don't even know what size that is, but so 1, 2, 3, 4. It look like that's a lot of oil, but I think it should be enough to drizzle on the salad. We'll use some black pepper. I'm gonna just wing it and just sprinkle some in there. Then just do like 2 shrigs of Himalayan salt. Got me a little lemon juicer, so take this and put it in here. Let's see if this gonna work. Try to squeeze the lemon juice in there. It smells good. A little bit of garlic in there. That's what the garlic look like. Ugh, I'm forever wasting something. And I think I'm a 1/4 teaspoon. I think that's what it is. I just put that 1/4 teaspoon of garlic in it. Bowl just moving all over the place. What if I add like some oregano? Not oregano. Add a little bit of dill to it. Maybe that might help a little bit. Like I said, this is my first time making it, so. All right. So here's my homemade dressing that I just made. And what I'm gonna do is just sit this in the refrigerator and let it sit overnight, let it marinate, get cold. I'm sure that'll make it taste better as well. Just take this container here and I'm gonna rinse off my spinach, my romaine hearts, cut those up, cut up some red onion, rinse off some tomato and carrot, sit in here overnight and let them dry. Then I'm gonna place them in my bowl. I just wanna prep this the night before, and I think that's what I'm gonna start doing. So here go my eggs. I gotta cut the bad pieces off before I rinse it off. Okay guys, I just rinsed off the romaine hearts. So what I'm gonna do, I put a paper towel in here, sit them in here for now, just to let it drain, catch some of that water a little bit, because I still gotta cut them up. I'm gonna take my spinach, open the spinach up. I'm gonna take like, 3 big handfuls of spinach because this didn't last me. So I'm getting ready to rinse the spinach off now. Okay, now here's my tomatoes. What I'm gonna do is just pour these in the bowl. bowl and rinse those out. And I'm gonna put my peppers in a bowl as well. So I'm gonna just take out an orange pepper and just a yellow pepper. Add just those two peppers, tomato and peppers. Let me go cut this TV down. Okay guys, I'm back. I just turned the TV down and I'm hoping that actually hear me from earlier when I was going over making my salad dressing and prepping the greens for my salad because of the TV. So I'm hoping you guys can. I'm still gonna upload it. Rinsed off my peppers and my tomatoes. So they're gonna stay in this bowl to dry overnight. I got my spinach in here. Got my romaine hearts in here. It's still a little wet, but it's okay. Take these out, the paper towel. I'm gonna let this sit in here like this. My spinach stay in here. And just let them sit in the refrigerator and just let the water like drain out or let them dry or whatever. Hopefully they'll be, you know, won't be too bad. Cut my onion up in the morning and my carrots as well. Put some chickpeas in my salad as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and set those on the counter now so I won't forget. The chickpeas, got my salad, homemade salad dressing in the refrigerator that I made. My salad, I rinsed off my spinach, romaine lettuce, my peppers and my tomatoes. The prep, leave my onion and my chickpeas on the counter so I can have that in the morning. And I'm gonna sit my greens and my vegetables in the refrigerator so it can get cold, but let it dry. And what I'll do in the morning is I'll show you guys what I'm gonna eat for breakfast and prepare my lunch. You guys have enjoyed this video so far. Okay guys, welcome back. It's Monday morning, February the 3rd, and I'm getting ready to prep my salad for my lunch today. I actually make 2 salad bowls for today. So now I'm gonna cut the peppers up in the salad. The peppers are a little juicy, but it'll be all right. I'm gonna just do 1 pepper for both of the salads. Just save the other one with the tomato. And next I'm gonna add some carrot strips. Just a handful of carrot strips. I'm gonna take some pumpkin seeds and sprinkle some of that on the salad. Next, I got some feta cheese that I'm going to put on my salad, small spoon. Just sprinkle some feta cheese on here. Cut up a little bit of this red onion. Okay, so this is what my salad bowls are looking like so far. Which is good because it's like a lot of color. And I've read and I've also heard that when you eat vegetables, let it be colorful. Or when you eat a salad, let it be colorful. I just finished adding the finishing touches to my salad. I added a little bit of wonton strips just to give it a little bit of crunch. I also added a boiled egg to each one to give it a little bit more protein besides the chickpeas. I didn't crack the eggs. I'll wait till I get to work to do that. And I also added the little dressing that I made to the containers, and I'm just going to sit them in here, sit them inside the bowl so I can have that. So this is going to be my first time eating a salad like this with dressing that I'm hoping I can get through it because I'm a ranch girl myself. Okay guys, now I'm getting ready to make my breakfast. So what I'm going to do is just take some Greek yogurt and add some raspberries and blueberries to it and some almonds and put it in a bowl. That's going to be my breakfast. I guess you can say it's somewhat of a parfait. I'll show you guys what it look like after I make it. Also, what I'm going to take with me to work today is this 23 ounces of water, and I got a lemon. So I'm going to just keep refilling the water bottle up throughout the day. I got a pear I'm going to also have for a snack. And I got some red grapes. I guess these red grapes, I don't know what kind of grapes they are. They big, I know that much. And when I was getting them, it had on the bottle, well, the container that they was in, red grapes. My daughter was like, those red grapes? I was like, I don't know. It looked like it. You just never know what kind of fruit and stuff people be throwing out there. But at the end of the day, I guess it's different kind of fruits all over the world. Hey guys, I'm back. So I'm done making my yogurt bowl. I put like maybe 3 tablespoons of plain vanilla Greek yogurt. It's this kind right here. The non-fat plain Greek yogurt. I started to get the vanilla flavor, but I was like, nah, because I was looking at like the sodium and the fat, and this one had less. So I'm sure this don't taste like, probably just thick. I don't know, thick. Just a bunch of thickness with no taste. I don't know, but if it's gonna help me get in shape and lose weight and feel better, and it's better for what's going on in my body, then that's fine. I added some blueberries, raspberries, and some almonds to it. So that's going to be my breakfast for this morning. Finished packing up my lunch and getting myself ready for work so I can get up out this door. If you guys have any comments or suggestions, please let me know. Subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell so you can get alerts for every time I upload. Thank you guys so much. By you guys watching this video of me, it shows that you are supporting me, and that's encouragement in itself, and I really appreciate you guys. You all take care, be blessed, and have a safe day. Bye guys.